This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for October 30th, 2023. It's currently September 10th, 2023, 4:10 p.m. Eastern Time. The shuffle file we're about to play was created on July 28th, 2023 at 2:10 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video right here. The overall theme and behavior, we have a nullified disappointment card, so there may be a failed attempt to break through key resistance and then decline through key support, but my sense is that we probably end up back at a high towards the end of the day. We'll look at that in more detail momentarily. We have the completion of a rally near the high, a rally on a multi-day scale, and then so probably the rally that started here, we likely come back to that same price level around here, or it's a higher price level and we have a completion of a rally again. But my sense is that you could open up a long position at the end of the day on the 27th and close that long position midday in the midst of a big move to the upside. We'll talk about that in more detail. Nullified low card, nullified trade card makes it, and nullified theme card makes it an especially difficult reading to determine where the highs and the lows are. But my sense is that we likely have a high at the end of the day. We have a bullish theme card on the 1 month, but it does indicate that it precedes a decline. So there's likely a decline at the end of the day or overnight. In the pre-market, we have an unexpected move higher in the face of seemingly overwhelming headwinds, and then we decline around the open. This is a cross-reading congruency. Again, there's sideways rotation and a fast sudden move higher that within the first half hour, ending that period of sideways rotation and taking us to an overbought peak or crest between 10 and 11 that we sell off from pretty notably. And then there's a big move higher between 11 and 12, taking us even higher to a peak or crest around 12 o'clock. That's an opportunity to open up a short position possibly, or close a long position. From a peak or crest, we sell off down to and through support. We do a U-shaped reversal, come back and reuse that support as support somewhere between the 12 and 2 o'clock hour. A big move to the upside right around 2 o'clock to a peak or crest, followed by a notable decline to the downside, starting probably closer to 3. And that decline to the downside, it's pretty sharp. However, I'm advised not to chase that. It's followed by probably around 3:30 another move to the upside, taking us back to a peak or crest, and most likely a high. We either had a high midday or we had a high at the end of the day, but there'll be a peak of some sort here at the end of the day. And I would, if I hadn't closed out of my long position yet, I would definitely do so here. Sneak preview for the following day, we have a prominent move higher and a full retracement of that move back down. It's possible there's a low here at the end of the day, actually, guys. There's probably a second high earlier in the afternoon, and then we decline pretty notably to a low. And then right at the end of the day, there's another move to the upside. Significant trade opportunity there if there is a low in there. And there is some possibility of it being a lowest low again based on the 1 year. But that's the S&P 500 for October 30th, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so and you like this, guys. Really helps out the channel. And as always, make sure to be an angel investor. Angel investors of the channel are going to our website, Tarot for Traders, and donating 5% of the profits that they make from this information forward to one of these charities, 5% of the profits back to the channel, leaving them with 90% of the money. As long as you spend that money out of love and you follow those rules of karma, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold through this karma, or through this channel, for being an angel investor, my friends. I'll see you guys on the next one.